It makes my hair feel very clean without making it feel stripped. I've used shampoos that can be very stripping, and this makes my hair feel clean while still making me feel like it's moisturized. It's not particularly full of argan oil, but it smells good because fragrance is like sixth on the list, that's why. But anyway, that's not expensive at all compared to me, compared to the £13-14 I'll be spending on shit. Hi guys, Kelsey Kurls here, welcome back to my channel. If you read the title of this video, this is my favourite shampoos. Just like the other video, I don't plan on going into a whole bunch of detail and reading the epistle of the name of the products. I'm not doing that. Before I get started, follow me on my socials, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Snapchat, and follow me on the Twitters. If you would like to see why these products are my favourite shampoos, please keep watching and let's just get into the video. Once again, like the conditioner video, let's start with the Shea Moisture products. I'm not going into the whole details about the whole name of the product. I'm just going to say the main ingredient and the fact that it's a shampoo. Cool. So the Black Jamaican Castor Oil Shampoo. I mentioned this on one of my other videos. I think it was the favorite products of 2018. If that ain't the video, I'll put the video of what it actually is in the iCards and in the description bar below. I particularly like this shampoo because it makes my hair feel very clean without making it feel stripped. There's shea butter in it, which deeply moisturizes while conditioning hair and scalp. Black Jamaican Castor Oil, which is good for obviously hair growth. Peppermint oil, the apple cider vinegar is very good for cleansing hair also. I really like this a lot. I recommended this to my mother also, who has locks, and she happens to like it a lot. Yeah, I ain't got nothing bad to say about it. I like it a lot. It just gets a bit splitty if you don't use it within... Is this one even got a thing on it? I don't think it does. I mentioned this on my last video, was when I was clearing out all my products and looking for the expiry date or the expiry sign thing. This ain't got one, neither does this, but still, anyway, I like this a lot. Mahuka Honey Shampoo, like I said, I'm not going through the whole epistle. Has the same ingredients as the conditioner. This shampoo is, I think, very moisturizing for my hair. I've used shampoos that can be very stripping, and this makes my hair feel clean while still making me feel like it's moisturized, and it actually feels more like a conditioner than a shampoo, but that's in a good way, as in my hair doesn't feel like cleansed and like sucked of all of its nutrients and moisture when I use other shampoos, which is a good thing. So yeah, one of my favorites. I keep this in my arsenal when my hair is feeling very dry, but I also need to clean my hair. I'm not one of those people who do co-washing. I already mentioned this in one of my other videos, which will be in the link in the iCards in the description bar below right now. I like this shampoo a lot. Again, Palmer's Shea Formula Shampoo. I like this a lot. Anti-breakage, elongates curls, redefine shine, for curly, natural and transitioning hair. No parabens, no sulfates. I like this a lot. Again, like the Shea Moisture Mahuka Honey Shampoo, this also makes my hair feel very moisturized but clean at the same time. Again, making me feel like it's more like a conditioning shampoo than just like a cleansing shampoo, which is why it's kind of in my list of shampoos, because I use my shampoos in a certain way where when my scalp feels dirty or my hair feels dirty, I will use stuff that's more cleansing, and then by the end of my washing process, I'll use things that's kind of more moisturizing to kind of like add back in the moisture in my hair. And this happens to be one of the products I use, as well as the other Shea Moisture product. Yeah, Cream of Nature Pure Honey Shampoo has pure honey, coconut oil and creamy shea butter. No sulfates, no mineral oils and no silicones. Nice. All right, so It says it cleanses hair, helps restore moisture for healthy looking hair, detangles, softens, and provides healthy shine. Yeah, again, this is one of my more moisturizing shampoos that I use closer to the end of my washing process. I do actually use a lot of shampoo and use a lot of shampoos at one time. Yeah, it just happens to work for me. It's kind of how it's always been and how it will always be, I think, for my hair. And I like this a lot. And it was only $3.79? Cheap, nice. Cream of Nature Argan Oil Shampoo. It has hydrates and detangles, sulfate free. I'm actually looking on the back of this right now, and the argan oil was actually in the middle of the list, nowhere near the top. Fragrance is way before it. It's like, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's the 13th ingredient on the list, so it's not particularly full of argan oil, but it smells good because fragrance is like 6th on the list, that's why. But anyway, I like this product a lot, regardless of the fact that it barely has any argan oil in it. Again, one of my more moisturizing shampoos. What else can I say? It does hydrate and detangle. I like it, regardless of what I just said about it. Carrot Care Hydrating Detangling Shampoo. On this bottle it says 36 months. I bought a new one the other day during my £90 haul, and it now says 12 months. Weird. Anyway, this one, what does it say? Okay, so sulfate free, lightly conditioned, rich lather, removes excess oils from hair and scalp without stripping. Very, very good. That's very true. That's very, very, very true. And repairs damaged areas. I love this conditioner. I love this shampoo a lot. I've had it for a very long time. I needed to re-up because it was almost finished. I have nothing but good things to say about this. There's a couple other Carrot Care products I tried and I didn't particularly like, but this one right here, bangs. Don't piss me off. I would recommend this to everyone. It is, I can't even say it's more of an expensive thing. I think when I first was transitioning and starting my natural hair process, this was one of the more expensive products I was trying. But now I'm spending £12-13 on products. This was when I just bought it, $5.50 then. That's not expensive at all compared to me, compared to the £13-14 I'll be spending on shit. So yeah, I like it a lot. That is all of my favorite shampoos at this particular moment in time. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe and be part of the notification gang. Follow me on my socials, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Snapchat, and follow me on the Twitters. And like I always say, be the best version of who you can be unapologetically you. I hope you got something productive done today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.